Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got an unboxing for you. Now, I have never tried this company before, but this was sent to me for review, and I just want to say thank you to Spell Queen for sending this to me to share with all of y'all. And I am going to go ahead and pull this all out. So before I start getting into this, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you. And I hope you're all having a great day. And I hope your year has gone great so far. And yeah, just also continue to do the YouTube-y things. Thumbs up. Like, comment, all those things. Alright, so, as you can see, like I said, this comes from Spell Queen, and it comes in this bag, and it's a really nice bag, y'all. And like I said, I have never purchased anything from this company before, so this is new to me, and I'm really excited about it. So they have on here, on their bag, it has their logo, which is Spell Queen, unique art that sparkles. And I don't know if you can see, but the bag actually has glitter in it. So I actually have two canvases. And okay, well, I wasn't expecting there to be stuff in the bag, but okay, that's cool. So we have got a thing of washi tape. What is that? Oh, it's a cat. Maybe? Okay, can y'all see that? Let me bring y'all down some. My lighting is not great. So, yeah, looks like a tiger. Yeah. And then this is a big old thing of washi tape. Isn't that cool? Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, cool. And then here is their toolkit. Well, I'm impressed already, and I haven't even opened the canvases. This is cool. Oh, wow. Okay. So, the toolkit comes in this great big reusable Ziploc bag. And you get a single placer pen. And it has the good 4-placer on it. It comes with a pink squishy. And I've never seen one of these before in a star shape. So you get 3 star-shaped waxes in a star-shaped caddy. That's cool. And then we have a pair of pink tweezers. And these are not the sharp ones. These are kind of rounded at the ends, which is cool. I have never received any of these, so I'm excited about that. And then you get this great big jumbo tray with a spout, and it has Spell Queen stamped on it. So that's nice. And then you get this little case, and it's got 12 little, it's a little storage. So you've got 12, and it snaps shut. So that's neat. Wow. That's a nice kit, y'all. Very nice toolkit. Very impressive. Okay, so I'm going to set this one to the side, and we are going to look at this one first. Now, on their website right now, I don't know how long they're doing it, But right now, they are doing a site-wide 20% off if you use the code 2023 at checkout. So, their kits are poured glue, and they have, like, you can pick your size, you can pick either round, square, you can pick ABs, or crystals. So I thought that was really neat. So what I got this one, and this is a 30 by 30, and it is a cupcake, as you can see, and it has up at the top Spell Queen, unique art that sparkles, and you can see that their canvases have got the, oh my gosh, my mind just went blank. Oh my gosh. It has this so it doesn't fray. I can't think of the word. Anyway, it has a thumbnail and a schematic on both sides, right and left. And there's the thumbnail. It has 33 colors, and it does have the DMC numbers, and it has ABs in it, and it looks like it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 ABs. And I think, I'm not sure how much this was, honestly, but it is very nice, and the back of the canvas is very soft, and let's see what the stick looks like. Very sticky, and the drill field is extremely clear, very clear. But look at all these colors. Isn't that pretty? Alright, and the drills are in those bags that have the diamond on it. So they're in these bags. Oh, and this is a round, if I didn't already say that. And they are in order, so I really don't want to take them out. But let's look at a couple of these ABs. Those are really pretty. Very pretty. Nice and shiny. And I don't see anything bad with any of the drills. Those are really pretty. Wow. Okay. So it looks like we have, in the ABs, we've got green and blue, a yellow, another blue, a green, pink, orange, another orange, a green, another green, a red, another pink, another yellow, 1, 2, 3 different shades of purple, and a white. So really all the shades of the rainbow. Very, very nice. So I'm going to set that one to the side, and we're going to look at this other one. I'm really excited to try this. I've seen a lot of people who have worked on Spell Queen, and I've not heard anything bad about them, so that's good. So this one are in the same kind of baggies, but we've got regular drills, and then we've got ABs. So that's cool. And this is also a poured glue, so I'm just going to roll it backwards just a little, but I don't really think that it needs it because I think they self-flatten. So this is a 45 by 60, and there are 29 colors. So looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 ABs in this one. So here is the thumbnail. And as you can see, it is Bugs Bunny, Sylvester, the Tasmanian Devil. We have got Pepe Le Pew. We've got Tweety. We've got Daffy. We've got the what is his name? It's the Roadrunner, but I can't think of what his name is. Or him. Something Martian. And then Speedy Gonzales. Is that right? No? Maybe? I don't know. Anyway, if y'all know, put it down there in the comments. But we have a schematic on the bottom left, top right. And very sticky. And the drill field looks really good. But this is really nice. I really like that. But look at all these ABs. Wow. Very pretty. And again, they're basically all the colors of the rainbow. If y'all can see this. And this is a square. I thought it was a round. My bad. I thought it was a round, but this is a square. Cool. Y'all, I've not done a square in so long, and they are my favorite. I love squares. I really do. So, I'm excited about this one too, y'all. So, alright. Well, what do y'all think? I am excited to try not only this company, but I'm excited to do these two. Let me bring y'all up some. These two canvases, because they are really cute. And I'm excited about this. And like I said, I want to say thank you to Spell Queen for sending these to me. And I will definitely make another video of a review as soon as I can possibly do one of them. And I will definitely show y'all what they look like, especially with all them ABs. I've never had a canvas with that many ABs in it. That's just nuts. So, alright y'all, leave me a comment. Let me know if y'all have ever done as a Spell Queen, or if you've done these particular canvases, and let me know what y'all think. Because, like I said, this is a new to me company. So, I mean, I know they've been out there for a while, but I've never done one. So, and like I said, I know right now they're running a store-wide discount for 20% off if you use code 2023. And you get 20% off your total. Plus, if you sign up with your email, you get your... Sorry about that. You get your first order for free shipping on your first order. So yeah, y'all, let me know what you think. And until my next video, y'all, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.